Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Jersey Hollk. So before we get into that, I actually did some research and they're apparently named DD World Store now. So before they were named Jersey Hollk, now it's this one, since if you search for that in Google, this is the first thing that pops up, which is this store right here. So right off the bat, guys, as you can see, they have the traits of a scam website. Since as you can see right here, they have this flashing things right up here, which are meant to entice you to buy with things like 50% discounts or no surprises, just straight fire, thousands of new shoes, a lot of things right here. And right here, if we actually click on one of these, the image is not that good quality. As you can see, they just try to hide it with the grain, but it's actually bad quality. Actually, if you see right here, it's all the same dress, just with a different color, and it's edited. As you can see, it doesn't even change one bit. So please, guys, stay away from this website. It is very shady, and they have been changing names. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.